Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before we get into this video, I want to encourage you guys to please turn on your notifications so that whenever I post, you guys will be alerted. You can do that by hitting the bell right next to the subscribe button. So let's get right into the video. I was not going to film this. um I keep saying I told you I was going to stop doing that, but okay. I wasn't going to film this video, but I ended up doing it last minute. Hence why most of them is already done. Most of the braids are already done. So if you, I know you guys have been asking to see how I grip, and I actually caught a really good angle showing you guys how I grip, placing the hair and everything. So if you watch through this whole video, you guys will see that. I'm not going to tell you where or when that part is going to come on because I know you're going to skip to that part. So I'm just going to tell you guys, just watch it to the end and you are going to catch that. It's not really anything new. I'm sure I have posted a lot of videos doing this, but I felt like this would be a really good way for you guys to see how I tuck, being that the client's hair is black and the hair that we are using is a color, I believe it's a color, I want to say a color 30. Yes, it's definitely a color 30. So I thought it would be a good way for you guys to see how the whole tucking method really goes. I know I've done a video on it on a mannequin, so I thought it would be good to do it on an actual client's hair. So please watch through the videos and you guys will see exactly how I grip. I didn't even see myself catching or recording that. It just so happened to be on there and I saw it when I was editing. Please excuse my nails. The braid and hair ended up, I didn't even know that was possible. So from now on, whenever I get my nails done, I'm gonna have to do gel because literally the hair ended up wiping off all the polish off my nails. That's why I don't really like having nails when braiding. Because I feel like it's a waste of money. Like the polish never stays on for a long time. But that's enough talking. If you haven't already subscribed, please do subscribe. If you are already a subscriber, thank you guys for your support. Enjoy the video and yeah, keep on watching. So I made the video a little fast because if I would have left it at regular speed, this would have been like a 30 minutes video. So I made it fast. If you guys want to slow it down, I think there is a part where the setting is. I'm not sure, but there's a section where YouTube allows you to slow it down. You guys can do that if you want, but I didn't want it to be like a really long video. That's why I fast forwarded it. But I did leave some parts in there that is in slow motion or at a normal speed. So this is the angle that I was telling you guys about. I feel like this is like the perfect angle to show how I grip the hair. I hope that this really answers all your questions regarding how I grip. Like, I thought this was a perfect angle. If it didn't, or if it's not, please let me know. And I don't know, I guess I don't know what I would do, but I really felt like this was a really good angle for you guys. Um, so yeah, I hope this helped. I'm sorry that the camera kept on going in and out. I don't know what that was about, but this was freaking amazing. I was like, whoa, this like shows you guys literally how I do it. Like I said, I'm not really good at explaining. The only thing I can do is show and hope that you guys will understand it. But when it comes to explaining, I'm not really good at it. Like, nobody taught me this. I taught myself. So I don't know how to explain it, but I felt like this was again a really, really good angle. If it's not, please let me know and I will figure out another way of doing it. So that is that. I am going to go ahead and finish up. I feel like I've done a lot of videos like this, and I feel like with each video, it's better. The lighting is better, the angles are better. So just if I keep posting videos like this, just know that I felt like there was something different about this video, or there was something that you guys would have learned about this video. Like I said, I feel like this was a perfect way to show you guys the whole tuck-in method, being that the client's hair is brown, well, not brown, black, and the hair that we use is a color 30. Again, the hair that I use for braiding is the Super X braid expression. I like the Gina collection because I think the Gina collection is the only one that has pre-stretch. I know there's other ones, but I'm not really a fan of it. I'm just very used to this, and this is what I like to use. I am all done. I'm just going to go ahead and trim around the braids. I sped it up because I think I just recently did a trimming and dipping video. If you guys would like to see that one, it will be I can post that in the description box below, or you can just go on my channel and it should be on there. So I'm just gonna go ahead and trim up all the braids, and then we are going to dip it. So now I am going to dip the hair. I really need to invest in like a better cut, but I mean, I'm comfortable with this one, and I don't feel like I need it's laziness. Just the thought of going out in this cold to look for one, like, I'm not for it. But I'm good with the one that I have. I again did a video on how I dip the hair and how to make sure that the ends are straight and not crinkly looking. That is that will be in the description box below also if you guys want to check it out. But yeah, once you're done braiding, just dip the ends. I know some clients like for you to put the towel over their head to kind of loosen up the braids. but I choose not to do it sometimes. Now I'm just applying mousse. Again, you can use any mousse that you want. The mousse is to kind of like lay down any hairs that might be sticking up, and then once that is done, I will go ahead and spray in my oil sheen, and I believe this is the olive oil one. This has been the one that I've been using for a long time, that I am obsessed with. We are all done. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I will see you in my next tutorial.